Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to find the perfect one for your IKEA shopping and browsing experience. So, let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for IKEA shoppers? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption so your personal info and payment data stay safe from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, keeping your browsing private even if something goes wrong. Plus, they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which IKEA sites or pages you visit. But where they differ, that's what really matters for IKEA fans. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for IKEA use because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and avoiding tracking by third parties. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites loaded with scams, fake discounts, or phishing attacks aimed at shoppers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a neat tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with family or friends, perfect for sharing IKEA shopping links or planning purchases together. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections. So you can run them on your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once while browsing IKEA. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software. So any tech-savvy IKEA shopper can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been tested and verified. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they control all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone frustrated with slow or spotty internet when browsing IKEA's site, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for faster, smoother browsing. This can help route your traffic to reduce delays, but keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that extra speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for IKEA browsing? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. Pages load quickly and your shopping feels seamless. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady and reliable speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its speeds vary, sometimes dipping depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if fast loading times are your top priority, you want a hassle-free IKEA browsing experience, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Pick IPVanish if you have a lot of devices or a household full of IKEA enthusiasts. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, choose PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused shopper who needs proof to back up privacy claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for your IKEA shopping. See you soon.